Across your world for information, breaking the myths, you will only find something that happened and that is happening. And yes, the facts, what may happen. Stay tuned for all these and more. Across your world for
All. How are you? The topic for the day is ego, right? Thanks to all those who have subscribed to my channel and watching my videos regularly. And for those who haven't, my request is please check out all my videos, and if you like them, subscribe to my channel and share it with all your family and friends. So the topic for now is ego. What is an ego? The ego is an interface of the soul with the respective environment. It must change when the life situation has changed. It is an aid of the soul. The ego must orient itself upon the condition and its wishes. The development of the ego is fueled by the experience, what we experience in our life, and our desires to see life, our perspective of life, and our perception of what is called being success. It's all linked to this ego. Is the ego a necessary evil? In most of the times in the material life, it is yes more than the no. You need to have ego, and what others show you as respect is as a sign of your ego at times, or most of the times, in fact. Ego is a manifestation of our mind, our social consciousness. Is also associated with the needs and expectations of our mind, and the fulfillment of the needs against the social norms. This ego is a very good servant, and if you use it wisely, you will do well. But if the ego becomes your master, then you are servant of your ego, and you will be a slave of your ego, and you will be. The ego is solely a tool. Thing is, it should be in control. But when it gets out of control, ego must be shown its place. Ego should not be a reason for your fear or worries. Always be watched if you are interested in the development of your consciousness. Love should be better than the ego. Enlightened people totally devoid of ego. What is your opinion on this? Please record your opinion in the comment section. Is there even a link between enlightenment and ego? And went to a saint to become his follower. He said, Master, I want to be your follower. The master replied, Come after the eye dies. It is not the master's death, it is the death of the ego that he has developed in him, which would be an impediment for being a follower of the master. That is what is meant here in this story. Ego is always present. Sometimes you need to be more, it needs to be less, but definitely there is a requirement of something called ego. As I said earlier, you must treat ego as your slave. It must be employed differently, different time, and you should be controlling it again, and not the ego should be controlling your thoughts. If you want to change and transform your life, ego is definitely a tool. Must understand the different novel ways, meaningful ways to integrate the ego into the overall personality. Without ego, the overall personality may not have its charm. You ever heard the phrase once bitten, twice shy? This once bitten, twice shy is nothing but the hurting of ego. You are already, your ego is hurt once, so it doesn't want to get it hurts itself. And also, some people talk about self-respect. What is the connection between self-respect and this ego? Is ego the other form of self-respect? We are trying to equate two intangibles. One is ego and another is self-respect. You can record your opinion in the comment section about ego and self-respect if they are one or different entities. Require ego to be doing something called creative visualization. Ego has to be watched. It has to be watched so that we can take care of our mental health. Ego is like a temporary mask. You just have to wheel yourself within your ego at times to protect yourself. Ego, in its negative form, can stir up fear and anger and can cause a lot of negative energy. The ego is a necessary evil for our soul, for our existence, for the purpose of life. You express the ego, the more awkward you look, the more submissive you become. Try to hide your ego, camouflage it with your words and thoughts. Again, you are playing with it. Conclusion here is, though ego is an essential part of the soul, one's life, it has to be handled in the right way too, and it has to be managed in the right way to ensure that the ego is helpful. Hope you had a good time listening to the vlog on the ego. Hope to see you with some similar vlog in the future. Bye then. Take care. Ark signing off. Bye.